In today's video, we will be sharing with you this delicious sausage stuffed mushrooms recipe. Welcome to Tasty and Quick Recipes. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications if you enjoyed this video. For this recipe, you will need mushroom heads, 1 pound of Italian sausage, mushroom stems diced, half a cup of mascarpone cheese, half a cup of Parmesan cheese, half a cup of breadcrumbs, half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of pepper, 2 garlic cloves shredded, 1 tablespoon of parsley, 2 tablespoons of oil, and 4 green onions. In a pan over heat, we're going to add the oil and the meat and cook thoroughly. Add the green onions and combine well. Add in the garlic and mix thoroughly. Add the mushroom stems. Season with the salt and the pepper. Add the breadcrumbs and mix until combined. Add in the mascarpone cheese. Remove from heat. Mix in the Parmesan cheese. Add the parsley. Place the mushroom heads on a baking sheet. Fill each of the mushroom heads with our Italian sausage mixture. Bake these in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 35 minutes. While still hot, we're going to top with shredded cheese. Our sausage stuffed mushrooms are complete, and now you can plate and serve. We hope you enjoy.